Xumo TV remotes in 2025 utilize advanced dual technology systems combining both infrared and Bluetooth connectivity. When your remote becomes unresponsive, systematic troubleshooting can resolve most issues efficiently. Battery depletion accounts for approximately 60% of all Xumo remote malfunctions. This fundamental issue requires immediate attention as the primary troubleshooting step. When battery replacement proves insufficient, implementing a soft reset procedure can resolve persistent connectivity issues. This process clears temporary memory conflicts within the remote's internal systems. Bluetooth connectivity disruptions require systematic repairing procedures. Modern Xumo remotes utilize Bluetooth low-energy technology, which occasionally requires manual reconnection to maintain optimal performance. Infrared communication requires unobstructed pathways between the remote transmitter and television receiver. Physical barriers, dust accumulation, or improper positioning can significantly impair signal transmission effectiveness. Firmware conflicts represent the final category of common remote malfunctions. Recent software updates in early 2025 have significantly improved connectivity stability, achieving a 94% pairing success rate on initial attempts. When basic troubleshooting methods fail to resolve Xumo remote issues, advanced techniques become necessary to restore full functionality. The factory reset procedure can resolve deeper software conflicts within the remote control system. This process requires holding specific button combinations for precise timing intervals. If the factory reset proves insufficient, a complete television system reset may be required to address underlying connectivity issues. For persistent connectivity issues, signal interference analysis becomes essential. Spectrum analyzers can identify conflicts in the 2.4 GHz frequency band that may disrupt remote communication. Network optimization plays a crucial role in maintaining stable Bluetooth connectivity. Router configuration adjustments can significantly improve remote performance and reduce connection dropouts. The future of Xumo remote technology is rapidly evolving, with several emerging trends reshaping user interaction and system reliability. Smart home integration represents a significant advancement, allowing Xumo remotes to control multiple connected devices through unified interfaces and voice commands. Artificial intelligence integration enables predictive diagnostics and automated problem resolution, significantly reducing the need for manual troubleshooting procedures. The free ad-supported streaming television market is experiencing unprecedented growth, with projections indicating expansion to $18.6 billion by 2027. Mobile application remote alternatives are becoming increasingly prevalent, offering enhanced functionality and serving as reliable backup solutions when physical remotes encounter issues. These technological advancements are expected to reduce customer support calls by 40% within 2 years, while improving overall user satisfaction and system reliability in the evolving streaming landscape.